Students, in this video, I'm going to discuss Hook and Jeeves pattern search method. So, in this method, basically we have a sequence. So, this is basically a sequential technique. Sequence means we have some steps, they will be performed every time. So each step of this method consists of two kinds of moves. One is known as exploratory move, another one is the pattern move. In exploratory move, basically we uses univariate search, and you know the meaning of univariate search. Univariate means we are moving, for example, in x direction first and then in x2 direction. Okay, so this is univariate search. In the pattern move, basically we use pattern search. That means this direction from here to here we are after this, first we are moving from x0 to x1, x1 to x2 with the help of univariate math. Then we will follow this direction, and then beyond this we are moving in this direction. So this is basically the pattern move. It's like this. So basically first we are moving from here to here and then following this direction, pattern direction, and then we will directly move from here to here. Directly move from here to here so that we are getting better solution. Then after this again we follow univariate method from here to here, and then this we will follow this pattern move, and then we will move in this direction. So this is the procedure. So univariate search, then pattern, univariate search, then pattern. So this is the basically the Hook and Jeeves method. Okay, so how to perform these? The exploratory move is performed systematically in the vicinity of the current point using univariate search method. We have already discussed univariate method in previous video. Okay, so univariate search to explore the local behavior of the objective function. So we want to explore the local behavior, अपने लोकल में सर्च करने के लिए कि लोकल में तो कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं है, उसको सर्च करने के लिए एक्सप्लोरेटरी मूव का हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ओके, द गोल इज टू ऑब्टेन द बेस्ट पॉइंट अराउंड द करंट पॉइंट. फाइन. ओके, नाउ द पैटर्न मूव. The pattern move is then performed using two best points. One is current point and another one is the previous point. For example, here this is the previous point, this is the current point, and with the help of these two we will find this direction and then we will move in this direction. This is basically the pattern move. Okay, so previous point, current point, and then follow with the help of these two, follow the pattern search direction. So here we have shown these two, x0 to x1, x1 to x2 is basically the exploratory move, this one, here to here, here to here, and then x0 to x2, this directly, this is basically the pattern search direction. Okay, this direction is pattern search direction. Just join these two and follow this up to the desired point where we are getting better solution. Okay, so where to stop, we will have that strategy, we will discuss it later on कि हमें कितना और आगे तक बढ़ना है, यहाँ रुकें, यहाँ रुकें, यहाँ रुकें, यहाँ रुकें, कहाँ जाएं. So उसके लिए हमारे पास मेथड है. ओके, we will discuss later on, but here we are discussing the idea. Idea is that first we have to use exploratory move, then pattern move. Okay, now the pattern move is performed along pattern direction by considering the current best point, this point. In general, this is denoted by xk, and the previous best point xk minus 1. This is the previous one, this is the current one. Okay, the pattern direction is then obtained by connecting okay, these 2 points as follows. So xp k plus 1, here p represents the pattern search. Okay, so xp k plus 1 is xk current point plus current minus previous point, current minus previous point. So when you simplify, you will get 2xk minus xk minus 1. So this will give you basically the pattern point xk xp k plus 1. Next point will be given by this. Now if the pattern move does not improve the solution, यानी कि अगर हम इस डायरेक्शन में मूव करें यहाँ तक और यहाँ पर सॉल्यूशन अच्छा नहीं आता है, वर्स सॉल्यूशन आता है, द मूव इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेड, तो मूव को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे एंड द एक्सप्लोरेटरी मूव इज परफॉर्म्ड विद रिड्यूस्ड स्टेप साइज. तब हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ के बाद, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर डेल्टा वन इज, दिस इज द डिस्टेंस, delta 1 is the this step size. If suppose delta 1 is here 1, okay, and delta 2 is 1, अगर यहाँ पर यहाँ के बाद हम इस डायरेक्शन में वर्स सॉल्यूशन आ रहा है तो अगेन वी कैन अप्लाई here we can apply, for example here delta 1 to delta 2, this is x naught, this is delta 1, this is delta 2, and we will reach at this point x naught. So rather than following this one, again we will reduce the size. Say delta 1 is now 0.5. Here is delta 1 1, but here delta 1 we have selected at say 0.5. Reduce the step size and then follow this path. Delta 2 is say 0.5 and then get this point. Okay, so here rather than following this pattern search, we have again apply univariate method. Okay, so here, so if the pattern move does not improve the solution, the move is not accepted and the exploratory move is performed with reduced step size. Okay, the search is terminated when the step size becomes sufficiently small. ठीक है, इसके बाद फिर और साइज घटता जाएगा, इसके बाद और छोटा कर सकते हैं, और छोटा कर सकते हैं, एंड फाइनली स्टेप साइज बहुत छोटा हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड वी विल स्टॉप द मेथड. दिस इज द स्टॉपिंग क्राइटेरिया. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस हाउ टू परफॉर्म द एक्सप्लोरेटरी मूव एंड हाउ टू परफॉर्म द पैटर्न सर्च. इसको कैसे लगाना है, लेट्स सी. सो फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस द एक्सप्लोरेटरी सर्च. सो स्टेप नंबर 1, एज्यूम करंट सॉल्यूशन. Current solution, which is not denoted by base point, is xc. C represents the current point. Increment delta I. For example, here delta 1, delta 2. In 3 dimension we have delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. In n dimension we have delta 1, delta 2, delta n. Okay, so here step size is delta I. I is 1 to n for n variable problem. Okay, set I is equals to 1 and x is equal to xc. यानी करंट पॉइंट को हमने x के अंदर डाल दिया, जो भी हमारा करंट पॉइंट है उसको हमने x के अंदर डाल दिया. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 2, कैलकुलेट f. तो अब हमने क्या किया, हम यहां से मैं बताता हूं. हियर वी विल स्टार्टेड विद दिस पॉइंट x. अब हमने क्या किया, कैलकुलेट f. यहां f की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट की, f of x, then f plus is what, f at xi plus at delta I means यानी x1 के डायरेक्शन में, यहां here f plus is what, in this x1 plus delta 1, this, and x2 as it is, x2 remains same. Similarly this is denoted by f plus. Then f minus means this point is f minus, that means x1 minus delta 1 and then x2 as it is. So here is basically f of x1 x2. Okay, so this is, so first calculate this f plus and f minus. Calculate these three. This is delta 1 from here to here, this is delta 1 from here to here. Okay, so this, so calculate this using univariate search यूनिवेरिएट सर्च। नाउ फाइंड एफ मिनिमम, इन तीनों में से जो भी मिनिमम हो, एफ, एफ प्लस, एफ माइनस। कैलकुलेट एफ मिनिमम, एफ, एफ प्लस, एफ माइनस, ओके, एंड सेट एक्स एज द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू एफ मिनिमम। जो भी आएगा उसको हम एफ मिनिमम से लोकेट कर देंगे, ओके। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अमंग दीज थ्री दिस इज द मिनिमम फॉर एग्जाम्पल. So in the next method we will start with here and we will move to here. We will step here. This is basically f minimum. हमने मान लिया कि ये मिनिमम है, so we will move from here to here. Okay, okay. Then again here we will either move in this direction or this direction. So this is calculated f plus, which is nothing but x1 plus delta 1, x2 plus delta 2. This point is f of x1 plus delta 1, x2. Here is f of x1 plus delta 1, x2 minus delta 1. This is denoted by f minus, this is denoted by f plus. Okay, then again find the minimum. If suppose this is the minimum, then we will move in this direction, but if this is minimum, then we will move in this direction. So this is the way, either here to here or either here to here. Okay, so this, so set x as the current point. जो भी f minimum आएगा, this is again replaced by x. तो for example यहाँ x था ये, फिर यहाँ गए हम, इसको हमने x बना दिया, फिर यहाँ के बाद यहाँ जाएंगे, उसको भी x बना लेंगे, तो x हमारा चेंज होता रहेगा, पहले यहाँ था, फिर यहाँ हुआ, फिर यहाँ हुआ, यहाँ हुआ, यहाँ हुआ या यहाँ हुआ, ठीक है, ओके। सो दिस इज द मिनिमम. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 3, इफ i इज नॉट इक्वल टू n देन i इज इक्वल टू i प्लस 1 एंड गो टू स्टेप नंबर 2. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, हम जितनी भी डायमेंशनल प्रॉब्लम है सबको कवर करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर i इज 1 here, then I is 2 either here or here. So after this stop. But if I is not equal to 2, then we have to perform here and here. Okay, similarly in 3 dimension, first we have to take delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Okay, so that's why this is the meaning. तो हमें जब तक करना है जबकि सारे वेरिएबल ये x1, x2, xn सब कवर ना हो जाए, ये जब तक ये कवर ना हो जाए तब तक हमें चलाना है. जैसे ही हो जाएगा स्टॉप. ओके, जैसे ही हो जाएगा i इज इक्वल टू n हो जाएगा, तब क्या करेंगे, स्टॉप एंड देन गो टू स्टेप नंबर 4. अदरवाइज गो टू स्टेप नंबर 2, फिर एक बार x1 के लिए, फिर x2 के लिए, फिर x3 के लिए, फिर x4 के लिए एंड सो ऑन. ठीक, दिस इज द मीनिंग. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 4, इफ x इज नॉट इक्वल टू xc, व्हाट इज x, व्हाट इज xc? x इज दिस पॉइंट एंड xc इज दिस स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. यानी स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट और जो एंड का पॉइंट है, अगर ये दोनों डिफरेंट हैं तो एक्सप्लोरेटरी मूव इज सक्सेस, अदरवाइज फेलियर. मतलब हमने यहाँ से शुरू किया, फिर हम यहाँ गए, अगर ये दोनों डिफरेंट हैं तो सक्सेस, अदरवाइज फेलियर. ठीक. नाउ द ओवरऑल एल्गोरिथम. ओवरऑल मीन्स हुक्स एंड जीव्स मेथड. This is the actual hooks and Jeeves method. Step number 1, define starting point x naught, increment delta I is 1 to n, step reduction factor alpha which is greater than 1. ये पहले हम 1 था, फिर ये 0.5 हो गया. सो द फैक्टर इज बेसिकली डिनोटेड बाय अल्फा. ओके, टर्मिनेशन फैक्टर एप्सिलॉन. नाउ सेट k इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 2, परफॉर्म एक्सप्लोरेटरी सर्च विद xk एज बेस पॉइंट. बेस पॉइंट मीन्स स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. ओके, let x is the result of exploratory search. This search, x will be the result, final result will be x. So x is the result of exploratory search. If exploratory search is success, if success, then obviously we have this condition, then xk plus 1 is equal to x. तो जो पॉइंट आएगा यहाँ से उसको हम नाम रखेंगे एक्स के प्लस वन। स्टार्ट करेंगे एक्स नॉट से, के की वैल्यू 0 है, तो जब यहाँ रखेंगे तो x1 मिलेगा हमें, ये एक्स नॉट देन x1। ओके, दिस इज द एंड पॉइंट आफ्टर एक्सप्लोरेटरी सर्च एंड गो टू स्टेप नंबर 4 एल्स गो टू स्टेप नंबर 3। तो स्टेप नंबर 3 में क्या, इफ जो रिडक्शन फैक्टर है ये अगर ये पूरा का पूरा लेस देन एप्सिलॉन है देन स्टॉप, otherwise go to step and current solution is x star, else set delta I is delta I divided by alpha. For example, here we have taken alpha as 2 which is greater than 1, so delta 1 is delta 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is 0.5, that's why we have selected this as 0.5. okay, so this is the meaning, and then go to step number 2. Then step number 4, set k is k plus 1 and then perform pattern move. Pattern move means xp k plus 1 is twice xk plus minus xk minus 1. Current point plus current minus previous point. So 2xk minus xk minus 1. Step number 5, perform exploratory search with xp k plus 1 as base point. That means say output is xk plus 1, k plus 1. ठीक. Now if functional value at this point is less than f of xk, then go to step number 4, else go to step number 3. So this is the algorithm. Okay, now we will understand this algorithm through this example. So minimize f of x1 x2 which is 8x1 square plus 4x1 x2 plus 5x2 whole square. Starting point is x0 is minus 4 minus 4. Step size in x direction is 1 and x2 direction is 1. That's why delta is 1 1. What is the meaning of delta? Here delta means delta 1 delta 2 which is 1 1. Okay, so delta 1 is 1, delta 2 is 1. This is the meaning. Step reduction factor is 2 and epsilon is the tolerance level. Okay, so epsilon is the tolerance level. Epsilon is the tolerance level. Okay, so this is so now exploratory search iteration number 1. In each iteration we have to perform exploratory search and pattern search. हर इटरेशन में मुझे पहले एक्सप्लोरेटरी सर्च लगाना है फिर पैटर्न सर्च लगाना है. ठीक, सो नाउ बिगिन एक्सप्लोरेटरी exploration about x0 where x0 is minus 4 minus 4 transpose and the functional value at x0 is 272. इसमें वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, ये minus 4 वैल्यू निकालेंगे which is nothing but 272. okay, here x we have assumed as x1 x2 general point. okay, now perform the exploratory search. exploratory search यानी कि ये वाला पैटर्न, ये. So here the point is, you will see here the point is minus 4 minus 4. okay, and this minus 4 minus 4. ठीक, so in x1 direction यहाँ step size है 1, so here this will be minus 3 minus 4, this point will be minus, this will be minus 5 minus 4. okay, ठीक है. सो हियर वी हैव टेकन x1 एक स्टेप माइनस 3, एक स्टेप इधर माइनस 5. ओके, नाउ हियर वी हैव इवेल्युएटेड द वैल्यू, दिस विल बी 5, this will be 5, this will be 3. okay, now here we have evaluated the value which is 272. what will be the value of the function here at minus 3 minus 4? f plus is 200. here the value is f minus which is 360. so here the value is 360, here 272, here 200. find the problem is minimum. So now find the minimum of these. So obviously minimum is this 200. 200 is the minimum. So that's why we will move from -4 to this. So we have selected this. This is our movement. Okay. Now after this, either we can move in this direction or in this direction. So here in x2 direction, here again step size is 1. So here, so -3 step size in this is the positive direction. So this will be minus, this point will be -3 -3. This point will be -3 -5. Evaluate, the functional value will be f plus f minus. Okay. So f here, if you evaluate, f plus is 153. So here the value is 153. Here the value we have already evaluated 200. Here the value is 257. Here 257. So now among these three, here is 153, here is 200, here is 257. So the minimum is this. Hence we have to select this minimum. This is the minimum. So that's why go to step, so go from -34 to -33. Okay. So after first exploration, here is x0, we moved here x1 from here to here. This is x0, -4 and we reached at this point x1 after one exploration, here to here. Okay. This point is -3 -3. So this is the meaning. So after first exploration, x1 is -3 -3 transpose, and f of x1 is 153. This value is 153. Okay. So 153, a success. Since the exploration was a success, we go to the pattern move. So now we will move to the pattern move. So pattern move is this method. So xp2, because k is what? K will be 2. This point, after this we are going x0, x1, x2. x2 हमें निकालना है. So x2, 2 will be current point. Current point is x1. Okay. Current point plus current point minus previous point. So previous point is this 0, current point is 1. Okay. And next point is 2. So we are going to find next point. So this is equal to -3 -3. This point -3 -3 plus x1 is -3 -3 minus previous point is -4 -4. So -4 -4. Okay. So after solving this, we get -2 -2. So -2 -2. Functional value at f of xp2 is 68. Okay. So now perform again exploratory search about xp2. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ के बाद सीधा जो हम मूव करेंगे वो करेंगे यहाँ. दिस इज -2 -2. ओके. सो दिस इज द मीनिंग xp2. फिर हम वैल्यू कहाँ आ गई, 68 पर आ गए हैं. यहाँ थी 153, हियर इज 68. ओके. नाउ दिस. सो नाउ हियर iteration number 2. So in iteration number 1, we have performed basically exploratory search and then pattern search, and stop it here. Now again apply iteration number 2, exploratory search and then pattern. So now in iteration number 2, first exploratory search in x1 direction, in x2 direction. Okay. In x1 direction, again this point is -2 -2, where the value is 68. Again here size is delta 1. delta 1 is 1 यूनिट है अभी हमारा साइज. तो इधर से इधर मूव किया तो पॉइंट हो जाएगा -1 और -2. इधर से इधर लेफ्ट में करेंगे तो -3 और -2. यहाँ फंक्शन की वैल्यू कितनी है, f माइनस इज 116. यहाँ f प्लस कितनी है, 36. इस पॉइंट पर जो वैल्यू है. अब इन तीनों में विच वन इज द मिनिमम वन, 36 इज द मिनिमम वन. हैंस वी विल मूव फ्रॉम -2 to 2 तो to -1 and -2. Okay, so that's why a success. Now we reached at this point -1 -2, this point we reached at this point -1 -2. Okay, now from here we are moving in x2 direction, either here or here. So here the functional value is 60, functional value at this point is 36 here. Okay, now here if you move in this direction, step size is still 1, so this point will be -1 and -1, and f will functional value will be f plus. If you are moving in negative direction, then -1 -3 and denoted by f minus. So f plus is basically what? F plus is 17. Here the value is 17. Here the value f of minus is 65. Among these three, this is the negative one. So that's why after this point -2 -2, first we are moving in x1 direction to the point -1 -2. So -1 -2, this is -1 -2, and then we are moving in this direction, point is -1 -1 -1 -1. Okay, so this is the meaning. So x2 is now, this is x2 is 17. Last point, this point is this -1 -1 denoted by x2. Okay, so now apply the pattern search. Pattern search is now f of x2, this x2. So this, now you will see first we will compare. F of x2 is 17, which is less than f of x1. What was the value of x1? If you will see, f of x1 was this, f of x1 is 153. Here f of x2 is 17. So that's why pattern move is a success. Okay, and x2 becomes the new base point for an addition pattern move. So xp3 will be x2 plus x2 minus x1. So x2 is the current point, -1 -1 plus -1 minus previous point was -2 -2. This point -2 -2 and -1, this will be the, this is x2, this is x1. Okay, so now if you will see, simplify, we will get 0 0. Functional value is 0. Okay, so functional value at this point is 0. Now after this, apply iteration number 3. So iteration number 3, now perform exploratory search about xp3 which is 0 0. तो फिर वही x1 डायरेक्शन में लगाएंगे, x1 डायरेक्शन में लगाएंगे तो क्या होगा, 0 0 1 0 हो जाएगा. स्टेप साइज इज Δ1 है 1, तो 1 0 या -1 0. At 0 0 functional value is 0, at 1 0 functional value is 8 denoted by f plus, at -1 0 functional value is denoted by f minus and value is 8. If you compare, then obviously this is the minimum one. So that's why a failure, यानी ना हम इधर जा सकते ना इधर जा सकते, एज इट इज यहीं रहना पड़ेगा. सो दैट्स वाई अ फेलियर. अब फेलियर है तो क्या करेंगे, नाउ रिड्यूस Δ1. जब फेल हो जाएगा तो क्या करेंगे, when fail then we will reduce the size. Step number 3, reduce the size by delta I by alpha. Okay, so here we will apply this. So since a failure, so now reduce Δ1 as Δ1 by 2. Alpha is 2, so 1 by 2. Alpha Δ1 is 1, alpha is 2, 1 by 2, and magnitude of Δ1 is greater than epsilon. Okay, epsilon से क्योंकि बड़ा है, अब हम लगाएंगे. तो अब हमने लगाया 0 0 से स्टार्ट किया, फिर दोबारा इस डायरेक्शन में x1 डायरेक्शन में कितना मूव किया, Δ1 is 0.5 हो गया स्टेप साइज, 0.5 and 0. Here the functional value is 2. Here the negative direction में -0.5 and 0. Here the functional value is 2. So again you will see If you compare, this is the minimum one, so that's why again a failure. So now again reduce the size. Delta 1 will be delta 1 by alpha. What is the delta 1? Delta 1 is 0.5. So 0.5 by 2 is 0.25, that means 1 by 4. And again norm of delta 1 is greater than epsilon. So here again, तो फिर हमने क्या किया, फिर दोबारा से स्टेप साइज अब रिड्यूस किया, फिर 0 से किया, अब 0.25 इधर चले, 0.25 इधर चले, यहाँ फंक्शनल की वैल्यू 0.5, हियर द फंक्शनल वैल्यू इज 0.5. अगेन व्हेन यू कंपेयर, दिस इज द मिनिमम वन f, and hence again a failure. So now reduce delta 1 again. So delta 1 is now delta 1 by alpha, so 1 by 8, because this is 0.25 by 2 करेंगे तो 1 by 8 आएगा. तो ये आएगा नॉर्म इसकी 1 by 8. 1 by 8 मीन्स 0.125 विच इज अगेन ग्रेटर देन अल्फा. फिर स्टेप साइज रिड्यूस करेंगे, इसको रिड्यूस करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा 1 by 8. 1 by 8 मीन्स 0.125. तो इसका मतलब 0 से दोबारा स्टार्ट करते हैं, इधर 0.125 पे गए और इधर निगेटिव डायरेक्शन में माइनस 0.125. 0 फंक्शन की वैल्यू इवेल्युएट की, तो f माइनस इज 0.125 हियर द फंक्शनल वैल्यू इज f प्लस 0.125. Again when you compare all these three, this is the minimum, so again a failure. Again you reduce the step size. Delta 1 is delta 1 by alpha, so 1 by 16. now इसका आधा करो, तो again so norm of delta 1 is 1 by 16, that means 0.0625 which is again greater than epsilon. So again step फिर हमने किया, तो 0 पे किए, 0 से स्टार्ट किया और इधर कितना स्टेप चले हम, इतना 0.0625. So 0.0625 in positive direction and this is 0.0625 in negative direction. Compare the functional values. So again f0 is the minimum one, so a failure. Now again reduce the step size. So delta 1 is delta 1 by alpha, which is 1 by 32. 1 by 32, the norm of delta 1 is 1 by 32, that means 0.03125 which is less than epsilon. Because epsilon is here, we have selected epsilon as this 0.05. okay, epsilon is 0.05 here. So this is now less than, and hence stop. So x star is basically xp3 starting point. xp3 is what, this point, xp3 0 0 0 0 is the solution. So 0 0 is the spot. Now we will see the pattern. We have started with -4, then we have applied exploratory search, then pattern search. So this will be the last point from iteration number 1. iteration number 1 के बाद हम यहाँ पहुँचे, फिर हमने एक्सप्लोरेटरी सर्च लगाया यहाँ से यहाँ, एंड देन पैटर्न सर्च. सो दिस इज द स्टेप एंड पॉइंट फ्रॉम स्टेप नंबर इटरेशन नंबर 2. इटरेशन नंबर 2, फिर इटरेशन नंबर 2 पे जब हम लगाने लगे तो हमारा स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम देख रहे हैं कि हमें रिड्यूस करना पड़ा स्टेप साइज, एंड फाइनली वी विल रीच टू दिस 0 0. हियर द सॉल्यूशन इज, तो xp3 0 0 एंड फंक्शनल वैल्यू एट दिस पॉइंट इज इवेल्युएटेड एज 0 0 पर फंक्शनल की जो वैल्यू आती है वो भी 0 है. ओके, सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, तो आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग this method, hooks and Jeeves method. Now in the next video we will discuss about the steepest descent method. In the next video we will discuss this. Okay, thank you.